Hallo! Here's a very quick how-to video on writing a letter in German, einen Brief auf Deutsch schreiben, ne? Oder das verstehen, also in der Klasse. So, if you're writing to somebody who is a boy, you would say, or a male, you would say lieber, like der. And if you're writing to a female, you'd write liebe, as in the ending, like die. You can see here these words when you're saying from yours, as in yours, at the end of the letter, dein, if it's a male writing, or deine, and you can see the clues there, can't you? Ein and eine, you just put a little D on it. Okay, so think about gender, to whom are you writing here, and from whom are you writing? Okay, so here is a letter, Miriam's Brief. Now notice we don't have an apostrophe there. Okay, so if we were to go to this picture here, okay, so here we've got a picture, and go a little bit in. You could go to Seite 48 on your logo. Okay, so here's Miriam's Brief. So here is a letter. Let's bring the letter down, and you can see that there. Okay, this is on page 48 of your logo. So in case you haven't got your logo, you can see most of the information here. It's a little bit faint there. Here it says, in this line, Margit ist sehr. And in this line it says, das finde ich toll. Ja, ich finde. Okay. Und hat. Und er ist ziemlich groß. Okay. But you've got page 48 in your logo. So, what is Miriam's Lieblingsinstrument? Margit mag what? Margit hat what? And Claudia ist how old? Miriams Hund ist. Und Claudia's Lieblingsfach ist. Okay, so now let's just pause the video or rewind it and have a look at those areas. Go to your logo, page 48, have a look here, and or read it here, or go back to page 48. Okay, let's see the answers, shall we? How did you get on? Okay, so the examples 1A, 2B, 3B, 4C, 5A, 6B. Okay. Okay, so you've got that on page 48. Okay, all right. So having a look about 48. So if you've got 1A, it's a Trompete, yeah. 2B, okay, tennis, yeah, because she does say she's sportlich, she's a tennis fan. 3B, yeah, so she's got two siblings there, you can see there, okay. And she does say that in Lotte Trompete, which is B, she does say, mein Lieblingsinstrument ist das Saxophon. That is 1A. Okay, that was the example. Then you got your tennis fan. Okay, then Margit. What does Margit have? Well, okay, she talks about how she's sporty and so on. All right. And you look how she says she's got two sisters, zwei Schwestern. Okay, Claudia und Margit. Okay. And Margit, so that is Miriam writing. So she's got two sisters, Claudia und Margit. So two pictures, B. Then 4C, because she says that Claudia is 16 Jahre alt. Miriam's Hund ist, she describes her dog. 5A, what is it? She says hat lockige schwarze Haare, curly black hair, and schwarze Augen, black eyes, and is quite big, ziemlich groß. So that's A. 6, Lieblingsfach, favorite subject. What does she say it is? So it's B. And why is that? What's the word for art? Can you remember? Have a think about it. What do you think? Yes, in the middle of the text, can you see where it says Claudia's Lieblingsfach ist Kunst. Sie ist sehr kreativ. So although Miriam's writing the letter, she's talking about her sisters there. Okay? So there we go. There are answers. Right, have a look at this. Is it, on page 49, German or English?
Seite 49. 2b. Hör zu. Ist das Deutsch oder Englisch? 1.
Orange.
German.
2.
Sport.
German.
3.
Photo.
English.
4.
Intelligent.
German.
5.
April.
English.
6.
England.
German, which would be England in English, wouldn't it? Okay, so let's go back. Okay, here we go. So look at page 49, exercise 1b, and you've got the 1 to 6. Thanks for your letter. Yours, Miriam. Köln, 11th of April. Write soon. Here's a photo of my family and dear Kirsty. So what would those things be in German? How would you say that? Well, the example is Vielen Dank für deinen Brief. Thanks for your letter. What about the other ones? What phrases would you use? So have a look. Give it a go. Pause the video. Okay, so you should have paused the video and thought about what the German phrases were for 1 to 6 on page 49 of your logo. Okay, so let's have a look. If you don't have your logo, then we've got page 49 here for you. Okay, let's make that a little bit bigger. Oh, a little bit kleiner. Okay, so these phrases here, how would you say these phrases in German? How would you fill in this letter? Okay, and there are the words if you want to replay the video of some of the German and English words we just heard. Okay, how would you say these phrases then? Let's have a look. Pause the video, write them out. Maybe look at the end of chapter. Here we go. And you would say it like this. Here we go. Vielen Dank für deinen Brief was the example. Deine, because she's feminine, isn't she? She's female, so deine, not dein, Miriam. Köln, 11th of April, which is Cologne in English. Schreib bald wieder, write soon. Hier ist ein Foto von meiner Familie. And liebe Kirsty, because she's writing to a female, not lieber, ER, but liebe. Okay, so what would you say? Dear Bob. Lieber Bob. From you, from yours, Mary, deine. Lieber, dein Bill, because Bill is a male writing. To Mary, liebe, from a masculine, dein. To a feminine, liebe, from a feminine, deine. That's just a very quick way, and you may want to pause the video and read through this, how you might format a letter in German. Okay, maybe you want to test yourself.
Seite 52. 1. Hör zu. Wie heißen Sie? 1.
Ich habe lockige blonde Haare und blaue Augen.
What does that mean? Well, you may want to look at page 52 if you want to do some exploration, but this isn't essential. You don't have to do this as part of the lesson, but you may like to challenge yourself.
Ich bin musikalisch.
2.
Ich habe lange schwarze Haare und braune Augen. Ich bin sportlich.
What do they look like? Let's listen again.
Seite 52. 1. Hör zu. Wie heißen Sie? 1.
Ich habe lockige blonde Haare und blaue Augen.
I have curly blonde hair and blue eyes.
Ich bin musikalisch.
2.
Ich habe lange schwarze Haare und braune Augen.
I have long black hair and brown eyes. So you may want to refresh your memory, but we're going to be doing more of this. Okay, and as well. Alles klar? Wunderbar.